Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the map view in Waze. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll notice three horizontal lines, commonly known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal your main navigation options. This menu is your gateway to all the customization features Waze has to offer. From the menu that appears, look for the settings option and tap on it. This will take you into the settings area where you can adjust various preferences for how Waze works and looks on your device. The settings section is organized into different categories, making it easy to find exactly what you need to customize. Now, within the settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find map display. Tap on this option to access all the visual settings related to how your map appears while you're navigating. This is where Waze lets you control the viewing experience to match your personal preference. Once you're in the map display section, you'll see an option labeled Map View. This is the key setting that controls whether you're seeing your map in a three-dimensional perspective or a flat top-down view. Both options have their advantages depending on how you like to navigate and what feels most comfortable for you. Here, you'll notice two choices available, 3D and 2D. The 3D view gives you a perspective angle that shows buildings and terrain with depth, which can be helpful for visualizing turns and understanding your surroundings better. The 2D view, on the other hand, provides a traditional flat map perspective that some drivers find easier to read at a glance. Simply tap on whichever option you prefer, and Waze will immediately apply that view to your map. And that's it. You've successfully changed your map view in Waze to suit your navigation style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.